What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. I'm Tankian the Man, and finally I'm back doing what I love. Finally. I mean, I've been trying to avoid doing an unnecessary content to the channel since, I mean, YouTube is so full of random stuff that adding even more stuff to it doesn't make any sense. Anyways, this new series that I'm working in will be about the PC desk and will be in English and Portuguese. Hopefully I have enough time to work on both languages. But the reason I'm doing this in Portuguese too is pretty simple. I mean, I've been trying to make my videos all in English and I want to keep that. But I managed to get the sponsorship. They asked me if I mind to do this in Portuguese. So I don't mind. The only thing I had to do is more work because I have to edit in Portuguese and in English. Yes, I'll try my best, okay? Wish me luck. Anyways, this new series, as I said, will be about the PC desk that I did. And it's basically the upgrade for our tubing and some changes that I will be doing through the middle, you know, to turn it even more user-friendly. Because, I mean, after using it for so many times, I kind of feel like there are some upgrades, some improvements that I can do to, you know, to improve the overall build. So, well, I'm very excited to start working on this and I'm very excited to be back. Hopefully you guys are too. So I wish you all the best and may the force be with you and of course with me. See ya!